What's this here you're cooking?
It's called food.
Food. Food. That's when you know you bugging. Cause you're supposed to say, I'm cooking fried chicken, I'm cooking roasted turkey, I'm cooking macaroni cheese, I'm cooking 3-layer lasagna. When you just say food, like who you want in the kitchen, bro? Not really like who you want in the kitchen. You want Jean Grey or you want my boy Gambit? You know the answer. I'm not even gonna give you my answer because you should know already. Because any other answer is probably wrong. It's either true or false. Anyway, God love y'all. I'm out. Peace.